Good morning, I went to the citizen of so we've got all things are possible. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nadine. If you're subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. I post video every week. Yes, I actually see this, and I saw this nature cereal on TikTok, so I just wanted to try it. It is very nice. You can use any kind of blueberry, anyone, and I actually put ice, and you can see I put different kind of blueberry, strawberry. Yeah, you can put anything there. And I didn't put coconut water there, coconut juice, I mean, but I put another juice. So thank you. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.